I was recording for a long time, but my storage was all filled up, so that sucks.
I just do my dance, and cup my pants, and twist my fingers with my hands. Just do my dance, and cup my pants, and twist my fingers with my hands.
God, traffic. Let me get on a different road so I can actually concentrate, because I'm very ADD. I like his AR-15. I don't know if you guys can see. This is a cool picture. This would be a cool picture right now. There's a police car right next to a guy who has an AR-15 in the back of his truck. Imagine if I posted a picture of this, how many fucking people would lose their mind over it. Like retarded people. Like, I'm very pro-gun. You know, there's a lot of cops out here today. I'm a very patriotic person. So, I love guns. I love guns. I built an AR-15 last year. I think it was last year, maybe the year before. It's actually my first gun I ever owned. I built it. I got the lower receiver from a place that is very close to where I live, and then I ordered everything else online. Because the lower receiver is actually considered the part of the gun that fires it, so you have to have a background check before you buy them. Oh man, thank you. But yeah, I ordered the parts kit, like the lower parts kit. I ordered, I ordered everything else for it. And I built it. It was my own. It had a 7.5-inch barrel. It had a KX5 flash suppressor, and it looked like a fucking beast of a gun, but it was tiny. It was really small, and it was considered a pistol because the barrel length, I believe. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong on any of this. I'm sorry. It's been a while since I've built an AR, and I've looked at all the regulations, but I think last time I checked, if your gun is less than 16 inches and has a stock, it's considered an SBR, which is a short-barreled rifle, and you do have to register it. Over 16 inches, it's considered a rifle. To be considered a pistol, it has to be under 16 inches without a stock. Like, if you have a stock on a gun and it's under 16 inches and you haven't registered it, then it's considered illegal because it's an SBR and you have to register it, you know. So mine, it was 7.5-inch long barrel. This guy's on my ass. What the hell is he doing? And it had a SIG arm brace. I want to see if these people want to race. That was an awesome gun. I'll show you guys a picture of it right now. That's what it looks like, or what it looked like when I had it. I sold it to my stepdad. And it was good because it's still in the family. You You know, it was my first gun to ever own, to ever build. So I guess, you know, there's a little bit of sentimental value there too. It was it shot 223 and 5.56. Like, the barrel was chambered for it, for both. And I think the next gun I want to build would be an AR15 300 Blackout. And I want to, what the fuck, man? What a fucking dick. Fuck that guy. The 300 Blackout, like, I'm going way past the speed limit and he wants to fly by me like a douche. Well, I guess I'm being a hypocrite right now because I do the same fucking thing. But yeah, I want to build a 300 Blackout, and I really want to build a 1911 Colt 45 EZP, and I want to nickel plate it and have it engraved with gold plated accents. Like, that would be so sick. But engraving, you know, it can be very expensive. Some people charge like an upwards of $3,000 just to engrave a Colt because of the time it takes and the process. You know, it's all. Did you see that guy? What a fucking douche. But yeah, it is very costly to have a gun engraved, any gun.
You should have seen how a nigga pulled up in the ride, in the ride, in the ride. Got two motherfuckers wanna fight me outside, fight me outside, fight me outside. I just do my dance and cuff my